The first teacher, the first friend, and the forever guiding light in every child's life. With immense respect and gratitude, Class 2C warmly welcomes our respected Avinash ma'am, Manveen ma'am, teachers and students to our class assembly dedicated to the beautiful bond of motherhood. So let us begin this wonderful journey of unconditional love. Lakshit.
Mom and me, picking flowers and climbing trees, shoulder to cry on, secrets to share, warm hearts and hands that really care. Motherhood is the purest form of love, gentle yet powerful. A mother shapes our world with the care, patience and sacrifices. She is our first teacher, our biggest supporter and our forever friend. Today, we dedicate this assembly as an ode to the endless love of motherhood. God guides us with love, Almighty guides us with life. Let us take a moment to thank Him for all His blessings. I request everyone to kindly join us for the prayer.
Of the year, which has been dedicated to all mothers. It is celebrated on the second Sunday of the month of May.
Can brighten our darkest days. The love keeps the family happy and together. Our mothers do so much for us, and today my friends will express their love through rhymes. Hey everyone, here's a poem dedicated to all the mothers. When I am sad, she makes me smile. She stays with me all the while. She teaches me to be kind and true and shows me what I should do. Her hugs are warm, her heart is full, her love is more than can be told. She's my strength, my guiding way, with me night and every day. My mother is my greatest treasure. Her love brings me endless pleasure. Thank you.
morning, let's see what happens next morning.
Riya, Rahul, wake up. We are late for school. Oh no, we are late. Dad, where is our breakfast? I don't know how to cook. My uniform is not ironed. My bag is not packed. Hurry up, the school bus is here.
Go to school and they are late for the school.
Why are you late and unprepared today? My mom is not at home today. Why have you not done your homework? I forgot, Mom. Children, you must be responsible. Your mother works very hard every day to take care of you. You should respect her efforts by being disciplined and regularly. Yes, ma'am.
Back home.
I am so hungry. The house is so dirty. How was your day? Mom, it was terrible. I got scolded in school. I didn't know managing everything is so hard. You do so much for us every day. My dear children, rules are not to trouble you. They help you stay organized and happy. Sorry, Mama. We promise to follow the rules. Hurry. Always respect your mom. She's the heart of the home. Yes, we understand now.
आरुष नाइस
माँ तुम कितनी प्यारी हो, दुनिया में सबसे न्यारी हो, तेरी गोद में सुख मिलता, तू ही मेरी दुनिया सारी हो। धन्यवाद।